are concerned, those of you that actually send me mail to ask me what's going on and why I haven't done the analysis, thank you so much. I'm actually doing very fine. I'm good. Nothing is going on, man. Just that I had some things to do and I was a bit very busy that I couldn't really check the charts for yesterday. Now today, let's just make an analysis on today's trade. And of course, as usual, I'll be marking our recent high, which is currently around here. I think let me pick up the arrow instead. Then the recent low, of course, this is the next low around here that the market could react to. So this is the next one we'll be looking at. And of course, the market is already on the bearish side of the market, so we just have to see the reaction around here. If it happens that the market happens to break below this, the market happens to break below this, it's testing this, then we think of going short on that. So the market can get somewhere around here, then we test that is when we think of going short on that. Otherwise, we won't see reaction to this level because it's possible that the market actually give us reaction, trying to go below, get rejected, closing it into the zone, they're giving us a bullish trend, they think of going long. So if that really happens, that is what we will be doing on the market. That means going long. If that does not happen, you happen to break the low. But currently, I can see loss in momentums based on the candlestick formation. You can see that the candlestick of which it came down all this way and the candlestick currently forming shows that there's definitely loss in momentum around there. So let's see what really happens. I'll definitely keep informed on our on alert videos. And in case you don't know what the alert video, I actually drop alert video to let you know whenever the market gets to my zones. So that said, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to actually hit the subscribe button, and if you're watching this on Facebook or TikTok, please kindly follow so you get notified once I drop the next video. That said, let's go to the next one. This is going to be gain. I just take this a little bit up so I can actually see right here. So you'll actually be analyzing gain right now. And please, in case you don't know the broker I'm currently using, just check the description. The link to the broker is actually there for you to register an account with. And of course, the synthetic market means it's available 247. Okay, you can see the market. I think it just broke a recent high. This is actually the recent high, right? Just let me take it down here. Now, looking for recent low. The recent low is definitely around there, which is already far below our entry. So now let's see. Okay, let me just reduce it. Okay, so let's go back to the entry time frame. Let's see if we can see opportunity to actually go long on this market because I think I can see one opportunity already. Following this 4 minutes, 4 hours candle closing above our recent high. Yes, I think I can see right here. Okay, good. So currently I'm going long. I'm going long on gain 400. Going long again 400, and I'm sure you know where my stop is going to be below this rejection around here. And of course, take profits. So let me just go ahead and enter this trade. Just a moment. Just a moment. I want to just a little bit. Hold on, sorry. Let me just go in with this trade. That's gain 400. Okay. So on gain 400. Okay. So my stop loss is going to be, my stop loss is at 10.7720, 10.7720, 10.7720, 10.7720. So just take note of that. 10.7720 is there my stop loss. Let me just mark it around here too. 10.7720, 10.7720. What? 10.77 20.9. So what's going on? Okay, so let me. Okay, sorry. 10.80. I think this is 10.8020. Sorry, 10.8020. Sorry, 10.8020. 10.8020. 8020. So that's my stop loss is currently. I'm just below this one right here. So please and please try to play close attention to that market. Let's see how it actually goes for the rest of the day. Okay, that's it. Let's go to the next one. The next is going to be flip. flip one. Okay. Remember, please never risk more than you can afford to lose. There's nothing that's guaranteed in this market. So please and please don't risk more than you can afford to lose. I keep saying this every day. The fact that I'm going long does not really mean that you have to go long. You can also still compare with your own analysis. And the fact that I'm going short does not mean you have to go short. Compare with your own analysis. If it works out well, it matches your analysis, you can think of going that way. But if it doesn't, please and please, if you're entering, don't enter with far more than you think you can afford to lose. Nothing is guaranteed. No matter how perfect the analysis looks, nothing is actually guaranteed. So just mark the recent zone. So let me confirm that from here. I think I'm let to adjust the recent low. Yes, I said it. Because I know there was something around here. So okay. So here is the zone I'm waiting for the market. So I'm sure you know what I'm doing next. Just waiting for a breakout either above or below. Above this, retesting this, I go long. Or if that does not happen, I wait for a break below this, retesting that, then I think of going short. Okay, so that's what I'll be doing on flip. So let's go to the next one, which is going to be break. So the next one is going to be break. Break. So let's go to break 500. Sorry, break 600. I'm actually used to calling this 500 because that's actually what I have. So going to break 500, 600, 500 again. All right. So please, I want you to close attention. Please don't be distracted. And try to remember, you can always save this to watch it over and over again. And please don't forget to also share this with your colleagues and whoever you think actually needs the information. Please do it to share with them. Remember, someone else winning does not affect yours. Though they are losing to does not really affect you. But then, let's be a brother's keeper. Let's try to share every information we have. Okay. Now going here, recent high, recent. So that means you already know what I want to see. So what I want to see, I want to see a break above or a break below. Just pretty easy. I don't know, like for me, I feel this analysis actually pretty easy because the fact that you analyze and using all the indicators, everything does not really mean that you're gonna have a perfect trade. So why not just simplify it and try to make it look very easy? Just mark your recent structure and wait for the market, and it's gonna give you trades to enter and to exist. So this is what I'll be looking at for today on my break 600. So let me go to 30 minutes just to make it a bit clearer. So in case you want to mark your own structures too, you can see where I got it from. That's it. Let's go to the final one for today, which is going to be our FX volume. And of course, we are using 20 for this. Okay, FX volume 20, here it is. So marking our recent structures. Mark recent structures. You can see recent high that look as if getting rejected somehow already. But then let's start with the recent low. Then we can go over to the recent high. I think that the recent high is because I can see three rejection candlestick. Then the next high is around here. But then let's go to the H1 to confirm this. Okay. You can really see there's a lot going on around here. So let's just wait for to see the action of the market to this place. Let's go to our entry time frame to confirm reactions. You can see total indecisiveness, the bears, the bills, they are really having a tough battles around here. So let's see what really happen. If this happens to close, just where it's going right now, what's the time? This is 26 that we have like 4 minutes to the close of this candlestick. So that means if that really happens to close, the way it's actually going, they want to see a bullish candle fully closing above this, then definitely you can think of going, what's it called, long to this level. That means this closes here, see bullish candle, form closing above this, somewhere around here, there's think of going long down here. But if that does not happen, you just have to wait for this to get broken, or then this get completely broken far below this. That means once the rejection around here, you see the bearish candle. Remember, I just dropped that last to let you know any of it I'll be doing. That's going to be the end of analysis for today. Don't forget, this is synthetic market and of course available on weekend, on public holidays, and of course no fundamental, pure technical. If your technical is okay, then you're good to go. And as a disclaimer, this is not me telling you what to do. This is me analyze the market my own way. So please you can compare to analysis, just that they guide on your own analysis, and if it goes well with your analysis, they can think of going in. If it doesn't, I've always repeated it, never risk more than I can afford to lose. Did you put your money for maybe your bills or your necessary important needs in trading? Because it's definitely not guaranteed. That said, I wish everyone a profitable day trade ahead, and please stay safe and stay safe with your finances and be careful with your finances. That said, bye for now, and of course see you in our last video.